All right, that was our Kim Hyun-bin. Moving on, the country's financial authorities are holding a number of emergency meetings to discuss market stabilization measures after the vote to impeach President Park sailed through the National Assembly. Korea's main stock index also closed a tad lower on Friday. To brief us on some of the details, we have our Kim Min-ji on the line with us. Min-ji, first, how did the market close today?
Daniel, Korean shares closed down on Friday, ending a three-day winning streak. The benchmark KOSPI lost over 0.3% to close at about 2,024. The local currency closed at 1,165 won against the U.S. dollar, and that's down 7.41 from the previous session. The markets did close before the vote was out, but market watchers say investors were cautious because it's unclear how the situation will play out. Now, the financial authorities are also getting busy. Finance Minister Yoo Il-do convened an emergency meeting with top officials shortly after the results were out. The officials said they will keep close tabs on the situation and draw up countermeasures. Minister Yoo is also expected to convene an economy-related ministers' meeting to discuss the potential impact Parliament's vote could have on the real economy and markets, especially with experts saying the results could impact Korea's credit rating and cause fluctuations in the Korean currency. The Bank of Korea also convened an emergency meeting of its own. It was chaired by BOK Governor Lee Ju-yeol and attended by other top officials at the central bank. They said the latest vote could cause market volatility and vowed to monitor the situation around the clock. The Financial Services Commission also met after already having drawn up a number of scenarios which could play out, especially considering that Prime Minister Hwang Kyo-ahn will now be stepping in as acting president. The commission will start implementing these measures starting Monday. And finally, to wrap up, on Saturday morning, top government officials, including the finance minister, trade minister, and FSC chairman, will convene a joint emergency meeting to discuss priorities for the Korean economy. Back to you, Daniel.